Okay, so we've got a car and a truck, and originally the car has a mass of 3 kilograms, and it's moving forward with a velocity of 2.5, and the truck has a mass of 4 kilograms, and it was at rest. And afterward, it says that the truck is moving 1 meter per second. And they're curious about how fast the car is going. It doesn't say they're stuck together or anything, so we're going to assume they're apart. So in this situation, we have a part beforehand and a part afterward. So we are going to be using the elastic collision equation. So m1v1, m2v2 equals m1v1 afterward plus m2v2 afterward. All right, you can plug this in. 3 times 2.5 plus, so the truck was 0, equals, afterward, the mass of the truck will be the same, 3. We don't know how fast it's going, plus the mass of the truck is 4, and we don't know, and its velocity afterward was 1. So we can plug this in. So 3 times 2.5 is 7.5, and we end up with 3v1 plus 4. Now we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So we get 3.5 equals 3v1 afterward. And we're going to divide by 3. And we get a final velocity of 1.17 meters per second. And it's positive, so actually the truck is still moving forward.